Hi and welcome to FormLoop instruction videos. In this video we're going to show you how to add a simple formula. So we go to start page first and then we have a look at create widget content. There are two ways of adding a formula. There's FormulaExpress, that is for adding simple formulas, and then there's custom formula, that is for adding complex formulas. What we're going to do right now is that we're going to add a simple formula, but usually you want to protect your created content, and therefore we log in. I've created an account at FormLoop, so I press login. Now you can see that the menus have changed. We have create formula, create project, create widget, your widgets, calculator app, account settings. We go back to create formula and the FormulaExpress. Press that one. Here you can see that it's asking for formula name and formula type. Down here we have the existing data in the database. So we have formulas. If you want to have a look at the formulas, you have the variables, the constants, units, and indexes. We're not going to have a look at the products. One caution is that when you're adding a formula, please press add formula before start pressing the tabs here. So we press variables because we want to have a look at the variables, and the formula we're about to add is going to have the name electrical power. We just add electric power, and the formula is P equals V times I. Well, I don't think that this one is gonna work, but we'll do like this. We're gonna choose physics, and then we just add formula. It added it, but then we have to check, is it using the right variables? So we go down here at variables for existing data, and we'll look at power. It had the P exactly like we entered, and then we have a look at the V, which stands for potential. So we have a look at potential, and potential is VP, so we add a P here. You can see here that it's asking for volume. It's not right, so we add a P. Then we have the I, which stands for current, and here you have the current, it's IC, so we put the C here. Then we press add formula again. Now it said stored formula P equals VP times IC. So P, which stands for power, that one we're gonna have a look at, but first we're gonna add indexes and units. So we can add an index here. Let's say we add EL for electrical power, and we assign a unit. And a good thing to do is that I've already prepared some notes, and usually it's the simplest way to do this. And my notes look like this. It's just I've added the power in watt, potential should be volt, and current should be ampere. So just put it in here. Power, watt, volt, ampere. and I have the EL for power. Then I just press add indexes in units. Here you can see the widget here, electrical power. It has ampere and volt. So we just test it. So we take 2 times 2, should say 4. It works. It has started to add the description here. It will do that automatically. Electrical power, or electric power, it says here. We're gonna press save and exit because this one looks okay. So we press save and exit, and now we're done. We have stored the formula, and now we can go to create widget, calculate the widget, and we just search for it. Power, electric power. Here you can see that it has added a description. Now we can test it again. It works. So that's how to add a simple formula.